Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Viewers, our today's lesson from grade 12, unit number 1. Today we will discuss some more definitions related to our previous video, that was the definition of function. So today's first definition is constant function. Let x and y be sets of real numbers. A function c from x to y defined by c of x is equal to a for all x belong to x, comma a belong to y and fixed is called a constant function. For example, c from R to R defined by c of x is equal to 2 for all x belong to R is a constant function. Next, rational function. A function R of x of the form p of x over q of x, where both p of x and q of x are polynomial functions and q of x not equal to 0, is called a rational function. Next we have explicit function. If y is easily expressed in terms of the independent variable x, then y is called an explicit function of x. For example, y is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1, and in another example, y is equal to inside square root x minus 1. These are the examples of explicit functions. Viewers, you can observe that here y is to one word side and no y on the other side. Next we have implicit function. It says if x and y are so mixed up and y cannot be expressed in terms of the independent variable x, then y is called an implicit function of x. Its examples, the first one is 2 is equal to x square plus xy plus y square, and the second example xy square minus y plus 9 whole over xy is equal to 1. Viewers, it is clear that you cannot write single y is equal to some x and no other y. That's why such kind of function is an implicit function. Next, parametric functions. If a curve is described by expressing both x and y as function of a third variable t or theta, which is called a parameter, the equations of the type x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t are called the parametric equations of the curve. Example, x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. In this example, theta is the parameter. Second example, x is equal to at square, y is equal to bt. In this example, t is the parameter. Both x and y in this example are expressed in form of t. Next we have even function. Viewers, the function is said to be an even function if f of minus x is equal to f of x for every number x in the domain of f. Its example, f of x is equal to x square and f of x is equal to cos of x. How? You know that minus x whole square will be x square as well, whereas you have already done in grade 11 cos of minus x is equal to cos of x. And next we have an odd function. Definition first. A function is said to be an odd function if f of minus x is equal to minus into f of x for every number x in the domain of f. Its examples, First one is f of x is equal to x cube, and second one is f of x is equal to sine of x. You already know minus whole cube results in minus, whereas sine of minus x is equal to minus sine of x. Thank you very much. Have a very nice time.